Kata-kata tawa sana. Iklan tapi. Kamu nangko. Udah migas tuh, udah sedikit.
Hello everyone, my name is Omkar Mohan Vishwas. My project name is Smart Village. This project is made by my group. Group members are Darshan Vakaria and Vishal Vyavare under the guidance of Professor G.S. Sanavkar. First of all, I would like to introduce my project, which is Smart Village. In India, migration of people from rural to urban is increased day by day. About 70% of population is living in cities because requirements of people are not fulfilled in the villages. There are 6 lakh villages out of which 1 lakh 25,000 are backward. So it is necessary to design a development of as a smart village and urbanization and moderation peoples migrate from one place to another for different facilities such as education, employment, affinity of people toward the city. Village is main criteria for development of nation. So develop the villages in such way that which is self-independent in providing the services, employment, and well connected to the rest of the world. New technology that is smart village. The smart village corrects the providing facilities of sustainable family relationship without developing the life cycle of without disturbing the life cycle of different generations. Initially, the concept of development of village is of Mahatma Gandhi, that is Swaraj and Suraj village. It's time to change the newly term such as smart village. Now, what is the concept of smart village? The basic concept of smart village is access to the sustainable energy services act as a catalyst for development by providing good education and healthcare, access to clean water, sustaination and nutrition, the growth of product to enterprises to boost the income and enhance the security. Now we have taken the Kandargram village from Kolhapur district of Maharashtra state. This is the chart showing the details of Kandargram village population. The total area of Kandargram village is 1.5 square kilometer and the total number of houses are 748. The total population of the village is 3,864. The literacy ratio of village is 72.3%. There are total 30 biogas plants in the village. There is one primary school and 3 Anganwadi center in the village. There is one community hall and only one bank is available in the village. The income source of villagers are agriculture, animal conservation, and business in dairy products. The main crops of pharmacists are sugarcane, flowers, rice, wheat, etc. The major problems of the village is scarcity of potable water, underground roads, no solid waste treatment, library, less use of natural resources, and literacy. Then, what are the planning and strategies of the villagers for making it as a smart village? First, infrastructure. Infrastructure includes road, telecom and information technology, irrigations, energy, etc. First of all, road. Listing of existing kacha roads and replacing them by pakka roads. Partial leveling of material streets according to the line slope. Construction of bus shelter at chowks. Construction of material street and wastewater channel. Telecom and information technology. Now, in this 4G generations, all the uh, villages should be covered with the 4G network setup. So, 4G unit setup, e-literacy to each willing citizens, establishment of smart school. Next, irrigation, micro irrigation and drip irrigation, promotion of less water consuming cropping pattern in unirrigated field, promoting rainwater harvesting structure, energy, use of alternative sources of energy that is solar energy are used. Installation of solar and electricity connection in public building. All houses are electrified with round-the-clock power supply. Next point is civic and other amenities. Household amenities. Housing. There are 748 housing households in Kandargaon Gram Panchayat. Some people are eligible for IOI benefit. Priority list has been finalized in Gram Sabha. That is permanent waiting IOI list, but it is still to be updated, which is in process. Drinking water. Potable water connectivity is there in almost every houses, but it is not regular. Due to this irregularity, the underground water pipelines was installed some years back, which has many leakages, and at some point it is mixed with the wastewater channel. Wastage of drinking water is also a problem, which can be solved with the behavior change. So this problem can be solved by providing 24 by 7 water supply and regularly maintaining the water supply scheme. Electricity. All the houses have the electrification facility, but supply of electricity is with low voltage, irregular, and having many power cuts and power failures. So Gram Panchayat can cooperate with the electricity department to choke the theft cases, regular and timely recovery and payments of bill, which would ensure 24 by 7 supply. Public amenities, street lights. Through Gram Panchayat has provided the street light, which is insufficient solar energy option for street lights and can also be explored. Gram Panchayat can motivate each household for a bulb or a LED in front of their house. In this way, Gram Panchayat can manage the low cost light supply. Samsan Ghats and ground. There is sufficient place for Samsan Ghat, but boundary wall and shelter is not well designed. There is no libraries in the village, but there is only one small book center in the village for school student. Sports and playground. There is only one playground in the village, but which is properly not maintained. Community hall. There is only one community hall in the village. There is no post office in the village yet, and there is only one bank in the villages. Now, next point is it. What should a smart village should do for the health purpose? Posting a lady doctor, insurance of health card, installation of water supply connection, ensuring IS facilities in the villages. Next, sanitation. House to house campaign through health volunteers and Swachhata Mitras. Education through Anganwadis, schools and organization of camp. Facilitate construction of toilets in each household. Establishment of solid and liquid waste management unit. Education. Early childhood care. Earth filling of low-lying area. Construction of assembled track buildings with repair and reportation in existing structures. Formation of women welfare communities, strengthening of it, and to make it financial identification. Nutrition education to women and adolescents. Schools and higher education. Filling the post of the required staff, identifying training needs of the teachers and quality education measures the individual attention to weak and needy students. Admit literacy campaign may be initiated. Introduction of units such as NCC, NSS, Scouts, etc. can be done. Social development, situation analysis. Social development is a concept that is integrated with the mind chain. Development involves the introduction of new ideas to the social system in order to produce the higher per capita income and improve the levels of having through the modern production methods and improved social organization. Development is an experience of freedom in deciding what people choose to do. What should be our strategies for social development? Organizing citizens, citizen-centric education campaign movement, involve youth groups in health camps and adult literacy drives, create discussion groups through libraries, organize sensitization programs, working on behavioral changes. This we should done for social development. Now, economic development. Economic development is the most important ingredient for the improvement in the quality of lives in any society. Simply said, local economic development means increase in productivity and productions in all sectors, increase in jobs and increase in local incomes. Economic development is at the centers of holistic development of village towards becoming Adarsh Gram. This is especially true for us where the poverty is intense and whispered. Now, the strategies for economic development. Transfer of technology for organic farming to the farmers. Preparation of soil health card along with the establishment of the soil and water testing lab. identifying employers and placement opportunities under universal mechanism through the participatory identification of the poor, bank linkage, best participatory planning. Now, at last, the conclusion of Smart Village. After applying all the services and technique, the overall problems of underground village are reduced. Due to this, cultural, social, improving the well-being of every individual in society, increases the self-sufficiency and reduce the poverty. Economical, due to various business economical status and standards of living increases. Environmental, educational, living standards and overall status of the villages increase. Because of that, village become the self-dependent and contributes toward the development of nation. At last, I would like to mention the references. Professor Bobde Shrikant, Case Study and Planning of Smart Villages. Brain Heap, Smart Village Research Associated to the Center of Development Studies. Also, on website smartcity.org.in. Also, we took the help from Google. And last but not least, our guide, Professor G.S. Anokar sir, who helped us for doing this project. Thank you, everybody.